Hello everyone, welcome to Suraj Ki classes. So friends, today we are going to introduce you with the details of coronavirus. So I have made a presentation, a simple presentation with full details of coronavirus, the regions and symptoms and what to do to prevent yourself from this dangerous virus. So fine, let's start. So let me first brief you about the coronavirus. The thing is that coronavirus, the word corona that is actually being derived from the Latin word, and the meaning of corona is that something like crown structure. If you see the spikes over this virus cell, so you will find that there are kind of crown structure. That is why this virus is called coronavirus. Now, how this virus is making everyone sick? So the reason is when the cell, I mean the body cell comes into the contact with this virus, then this virus is having no cellular property, so that it will use the cell of your body to make another copies of the viruses. So if the single virus is present in your body, it is capable to make it to 10,000 just within in an hour, and within 2 to 3 days or 10 to 14 days you will start getting the symptoms of the disease. Uh, if we take the common explanation of this, then Andrew Pecos of Hopkinson University has given a very general kind of explanation. That is, if someone comes into your house, uses your furniture, eats your food, and it will make the babies. I mean, the virus is using the resources available in your body, the cells or the energy of your body, and it is, you know, crashing down, it is damaging your body by using your body's resources only. Now, why no antibiotics have still been effective for this virus? So the reason is we need to understand the antibiotic first. So what antibiotic does to your body? When if you're suffering from any disease which is basically occurred due to a bacteria, then if you are being given a antibiotic, then it will simply block the molecule so that bacteria doesn't get molecule to infect your body anymore further. But what happens in case of viruses? Viruses are having no cellular machinery of their own. It is kind of passive thing. So it will use your body, it will use the protein of your body to make the number of cells of those kind of viruses. So it is now the part of your body, it is now the part of your protein, it is now the part of your cell. So if you are being given any antibiotic, it will directly harm your body. So it is very tough, it's a challenging thing to make antibiotic for any virus. If you are supposed to make antibiotic for any virus, then you must be targeting the specific area, specific protein that is produced by the virus. Now let's understand what is this novel coronavirus. In other language, technical language, it is called SARS-CoV-2. So this virus is particularly enigmatic. It is very mysterious. So far, no scientist has got success to understand the virus, and that is why the vaccine for this virus is still under development. But there is a little hope for scientists to get the vaccine of these viruses by the spiky protein keys present on the top layer of the virus. So whenever this virus hits your body, it comes to your body, and it starts spreading, that time your body gives a signal to your system that something is abnormal happening, so that your body temperature rises and your body starts fighting with that virus. So the antibiotic or the vaccine can be like, whenever it gets a signal, at the first instant it fights back and kills the virus. So the body has to understand, or the vaccine will clearly identify that this virus is coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2 virus, and it will fight it accordingly. So that can be the way to find the vaccine for this virus. Now let's understand the structure of this virus, how this looks like and what is there inside it. So if you see the spiky layer around the surface, then you will find the spike glycoprotein is present. Then after the virus, inside, that is RNA and N protein. And if you see the envelope, it is like protected from surrounding, so that it's very hard to be killed. This virus, if is present on any metal surface, it can survive for 3 to 4 days. So that is the reason it is having a layer, it is completely protected. That is why the virus is not easily killed in the atmosphere. Otherwise, the other viruses, if you see, they get killed instantly or maybe within minutes, but this virus is not getting killed. Now let's see the symptoms which will be faced by a patient if infected by coronavirus. Then the major symptoms are, so let's see the symptoms of this virus. So if the patient is infected with coronavirus, then the patient will feel fever, chest pain, chills, rapid heartbeat, breathing difficulties, pneumonia, ultimately kidney failure, which will lead to the death of the patient. Now, what is the incubation period? How long it takes to, the symptoms, how long it takes to appear. Now, the symptoms of this COVID-19 virus will be appeared within 2 to 14 days. So if someone has been infected by this virus, it will take maximum 14 days to get the symptoms. Now, coronavirus cases till now around the globe. If you see the coronavirus cases, these are 3,58,864. So till now deaths have been occurred 15,433. It's a huge number, and we pray to God that we get the control over it, and innocents are not getting died in future. Recovery number is 1,658,000. Now if you see the active cases, these are 2,42,773, and closed cases, if you see, the recovered number are 87% and the deaths are 13%. Now let's see country wise how this virus has been effective till now. So if you see, the China is having 81,093 cases, but out of that China has recovered 72,703. So it's a big number. And if we talk about the death scenario, that is major in case of Italy, almost 5,476 deaths have been occurred. USA is also suffering from this, and USA is having around 40,000 numbers of patients, and Spain, Germany, Iran, France, they are also suffering. Now, how this virus getting spread? So it gets spreaded when you sneeze, and when you touch your eyes, when you handshake with some other person. This virus is something like that, it will not be present if you take precautions. So let's talk about the precautions, what you have to take to prevent yourself from this virus. So the best way to protect yourself is that you avoid any contact with someone who is suffering from cough or cold, then you have to maintain at least 1 meter distance from that guy, and you have to frequently rub your hands with sanitizer or wash your hands with soap. Keep your mouth covered while you are sneezing or coughing. So these are some ways to protect yourself from this coronavirus. So well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got my points clear. If you are still having any doubt, then please comment us. I hope the globe will soon get rid of this dangerous coronavirus. We pray to God, and keep yourself away from the society, keep yourself away from any social occasions, any program, and stay at home as long as possible. Keep your family safe, keep yourself safe, wash your hands frequently, cover your mouth while sneezing. Thank you so much for watching this video.